Acne is an extremely common skin condition that affects people from teenage years on up to midlife and even elderly individuals. Many patients ask what causes their acne to flare up. What I've seen is that stress is particularly a big factor for making people's acne flare up. Other kinds of things could be the kinds of skin products that people use. I often feel like people use products on their face that are too harsh for their skin. And so one of the main things I emphasize to my patients is to be kind and gentle to their skin. Many people ask whether certain things in their diet, like milk or chocolate, affect their acne. And there's not really good evidence to support that on a broad scale. However, I feel like patients know themselves better than anyone. And if any particular individual feels like eating chocolate or drinking milk makes their complexion worse, I tend to believe them, and I think to whatever extent they can exclude that item, it may actually help their complexion.